gotta pay the rent. Some folks are annoyed because they can't lay out my scent. Others are perplexed about the latest picture show. But there is only one thing that I really want to know. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? No matter what I do, the answer won't come through. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? That's a question I would like an answer to. A little piece of cheese annoys a mouse, there is no doubt. But there is one thing I've been trying hard to figure out. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? An oyster's in a stew. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? I asked them at the zoo, they said they wish they knew. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? That's a question I would like an answer to. The piece of cheese annoys the mouse annoys in turn. The cat who then annoys the dog, but still cannot learn. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? With an oyster's in a stew. An oyster lives a life within a very narrow scope. One thing that I've learned is that an oyster don't like soap. I'll admit the problem's been a sticker from the go. I've asked most everyone I met and no one seems to know. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? I figured till I'm blue, so now I'm asking you. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? That's a question I would like an answer to. The piece of cheese annoys the mouse annoys the cat annoys the dog annoys your Sunday hat. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? And an oyster's in a stew. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? I asked each one I knew, from here to Kalamazoo. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? That's a question I would like an answer to. Now simple things annoy a lot of simple folk you see, and that's most likely why this question is annoying me. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? With an oyster's in a stew. What kind of a noise annoys an oyster? That's a question I would like an answer to. A doodly-doo.